Yo, it's Andrew here again with the Curbside Podcast, here with another video. Quarantine, I don't even know which day it is now. Didn't have any parts arrive today, unfortunately. UPS screwed up my delivery of my lip, so shouts out to them, but have something else I'd like to do. So I decided I'm going to be removing this Mitsubishi badge off of the trunk. The trunk, as is, looks pretty good already, but I've seen a bunch of pictures around of the Evo X trunks without the badge, and I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and do it myself. I'm gonna do that one and possibly this Mitsubishi one down here. I'm gonna go ahead and start with that big one. The tools we'll need today are a hairdryer or a heat gun and some floss. Floss will help saw away at the adhesive behind it. The hairdryer will help to heat the adhesive up, soften it, and make it easier for the floss to go through. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and start heating up the badge. Don't want to get too close, possibly damage the paint. So keep a good distance, maybe like here if you're using a hairdryer, a little further back if you're using a heat gun. So the reason I'm getting so close actually is because I found out that this hairdryer doesn't get very hot and it's kind of a colder day today. So getting closer to make sure the badge warms up. Now it's warm to the touch. Next you want to grab your floss. Just stick it behind the badge and start sawing away. With the badge heated up properly, the floss made easy work of the adhesive and the badge is coming right off. Before I do that and take the badge completely off, I'm actually going to measure how far the badge is away from this reverse or brake light, just for future reference in case I decide to stick the badge back on. I'm going to stick it to the bottom lip of that brake light and line it up with the top point of the top diamond. So looking at that head on, it looks like 2.5 to the top. 2.5, and for any Evo X owners out there, there's your point of reference. That is where the stock badge sits. There it goes. Just like that. Boom, got your badge. Take it off. Once the badge is off, you'll notice the adhesive is still on there, so I'm just going to slowly pick away at this. I know you can use things like goof off and Goo Gone to remove it, but I want to try to keep that kind of stuff off my paint, so I'll just slowly peel this away with my fingers. With the adhesive all removed and my thumbs and fingers completely destroyed, let's get to cleaning this stuff up. There's lots of residue and kind of dust behind there, so I'm going to use a detailing spray and a clay bar to get this stuff off. Something I've learned over the past couple weeks with this car is the previous owner did not take very good care of this thing. Anyways, that's a whole separate video, but let's get cleaning. So the detail spray wasn't exactly strong enough, so I got a little bit of the car wash in my hand here. Just gonna rub it on, spray some water, wash it down. Cut that off, and it already looks 10 times better. Next, we'll get a clay bar, soapy water, and clean it. Trunk and the rear bumper are so destroyed. Pretty annoying. Just realizing that I haven't clay barred the trunk yet, so I'll go ahead and actually do this whole thing. Trunk is all cleaned up, clay barred, gunk removed, and here's the badgeless trunk, final product. Ignore the destroyed bumper. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Maybe could do without the Mitsubishi badge. What do you guys think? We'll leave it on for now. That's the quick little video here. Hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, if you wanted to badge anything on your car, it's the same process. Make sure to heat up the glue, use your floss, clean it up properly afterwards. I'm going to go ahead and finish this off now with this Meguiar's hybrid ceramic detailer. I think it's a ceramic coat and a wax hybrid. Either way, it works really well. The whole car is coated in it, and I actually went for a quick little drive yesterday. It was raining, and look at that. Still good as new. So yeah, thanks for watching.